His ways to stock up on some extra luck. America runs on Dunkin'. Limited time offer.
Percent of $425 billion that was put out in the venture capital world.
Good morning, guys. It is about to be 7 o'clock in the morning, and I just put the baby to sleep, fed her, put the baby to sleep, and I'm just like trying to get myself together. So you guys just saw a little bit of my morning routine. If you want to see a more in-depth video of my morning routine, I do have a video on that, so go and check that out. I look crazy, but clearly I just woke up and my face is red because I just washed it. So I don't know why it's picking up so much redness, because in person it doesn't look that bright. Oh well. Anyways, so I'm about to deep condition this hair, but I want to see what the weather's gonna be like today, because that's gonna determine whether I'm gonna go curly or straight. So let's see. It's currently 35 degrees right now. Looks like it's gonna be like a nice sunny day, and a little bit breezy. It says that the high is going to be 47 degrees, so you know, I'm blowing dry my hair. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna put some deep conditioner in. And today I'm just, well, we have a doctor's appointment for the baby today later on, so we are obviously have to do that. But today I just want to do like another like declutter video. It's not really cleaning the house, it's just like, you know, doing laundry, like the baby's laundry, cleaning her stuff, and like, yeah. If you are interested, stay tuned and keep on watching.
That's your front page news. Now, when we come back, the cast of State of the Culture will be joining us. That's Ebony K. Williams, Jinx, Remy Ma, and Joe Biden.
Disney and Pixar's Onward. Rated PG. Parental guidance suggested. In theaters.
How's it working, guys?
Just pray like the Ritz.
If you're on Medicaid, how would you like it if you
Like the iPhone 7 for just $49.99. It's a simple.
Michael Ashman, author artists like Malcolm Gladwell, Mark Cuban. The 2020 lineup will be announced soon. Tickets are already nearly sold out.
If you want to have fun, if you want to be
I'm so happy I learned how to make iced coffee in my house, so I don't gotta spend the money. Yo, I look crazy. I gotta, you know, I get it together, sis. If you're looking at the top of my fridge, I'm Spanish, okay? We do this. That's what we do. That's storage, okay? That is storage space. Thank you. Alright guys, so we just got back from the baby's appointment or whatever. So yeah, she's healthy. She had her 1 month appointment. She's growing up so fast, I can't believe it. That's a lot. That's a lot. But yeah, so anyways, I'm just gonna continue on with the vlog. Obviously you guys saw that I did condition my hair this morning and I blew dry it because it's so pretty outside. So you know, I wanted to look cute or whatever. So I'm just going to continue. I'm just gonna season the chicken and then continue with my cleaning. So stay tuned, keep on watching. But first, we're gonna have some wine. Salud. Alright guys, so now I'm back. Yesterday I ended up cooking. I finished cooking and then I cuddled up with my baby girl and I knocked out for the whole night. So today is the next morning and I am going to continue doing what I was doing yesterday. Alright guys, so that concludes this video. I hope you liked you know, just a random like declutter or whatever. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me both on Twitter and on Instagram as Smack Talk Danny. I'll see you guys in the next one.